So in this video, let's just do a quick guide, quick explanation what is BeReal app. As you can see right now, it's in the top charts in social networking category. And yes, this app is going viral among teens. So if you don't know what the hype is about, so let's just dive into it. So every day, so you create an account and every day this app sends one notification. During this notification, you will have 2 minutes to capture a BeReal, which means you just need to send a photo and see what your friends are up to. So you have 2 minutes and you need to take a photo of what you are doing. So just share your current moment. Maybe you're just at home, maybe you're traveling, maybe you're in transport, maybe you're at work near your laptop. So just capture that, and then all your friends are also posting that, and you just have like one moment catch up with your friends what everyone else is doing, and then you can just comment, react, and send emojis, and you can also add a widget similar to Locket widget, and that sees these pictures in real time, and then you also have these previous pictures and memories in one place. So let's just open the app and see how exactly it looks like, how the process looks like. So yeah, it's important to create an account obviously and to enable notifications. So here you need to make sure that you have notifications enabled, and then once per day you will have a notification from this app to take your BeReal. So that's basically that. So okay, I can just take like, you can take the way how it works, you just take the front photo and then the camera also takes the back photo, so something like that. And then you can turn off your location. Here you can select how you want, where you want to share it, and then you just send it. So there you have it. Now my BeReal is updated. You can see that it's 19 hours late. What it means, basically it means that I missed the notification because I needed to send it in time, but I didn't receive that notification, and yeah, so I didn't post it in time, but it still works. So now you can see all the comments and real emojis from your friends, and some friends might ask you to retake. You can also delete this photo, and that's it. And then the idea that there is also discovery feed, where you can see all other people posting their BeReals. So the whole idea of this app is kind of in its name, BeReal. So the vibe is about being a bit of like anti-Instagram, where you don't post, like your perfect lifestyle, your perfect, like posh kind of lifestyle using like tons of filters, like perfect skyline or something like that. Here you just post ordinary life, just ordinary moment you live in. Yeah, someone is eating a sandwich, someone is standing in the street or whatever, someone is traveling. So just your ordinary moment, and that adds some interesting element to this app, because it's just very authentic, it's very relaxed, very chilled. You don't need to show your perfect body or like perfect lifestyle, or like perfect landscapes and all of that, which you can see on Instagram. And it can be a bit like pressure for a lot of teens on Instagram. Here it's very like BeReal, just BeReal, show your real moment. So yeah, then you can just react with real emojis. So you can just record some quick video and add an emoji that's called real emoji. You can go and see the location. You can add a friend. You can invite, copy profile URL, all of that. Then you can see your memories, your previous photos. You can also go to settings. Here's your account. You can add your location, you can add a profile picture, username, bio. So you can clear cache, you can enable fast camera. And then you can add friends, add by username. So you can easily just search like that, search by username, and then that's basically, yeah. So that's the idea in a nutshell. That's how this app works. Also, recent feature which they added is that you can add BeReal widget. So you can just tap BeReal. So just tap widget emoji. So you can just add this widget here, and then it will display real emojis from your BeReal app. So if you have some real emojis reactions, they will be displayed here in this widget, and that's very helpful. You can just see it here right on your home screen. So that's the idea. Hope it is helpful. That's the app. Definitely give it a try and have fun with your friends.